his first Beatles song. Love Me Do, I think it was, and from there it didn't take him long. Got himself a guitar, used to play every night. Now he's in a rock and roll outfit and everything's alright. Don't you know? Johnny told his mama, hey mama, I'm going away. I'm gonna hit the big time, gonna be a big star someday, yeah. Mama came to the door with a teardrop in her eye. Johnny said, don't cry, mama, smiled and waved goodbye.
Coming to a close of the year 2024. Just the 5 of us now. Eve, Clarisse, Pao and Kevin over there. And decided to make an easy climb.
Standing at over 600 meters above sea level, Mount Kapigpiglatan offers hikers a moderate ascent through rolling hills and lush greenery. The terrain is characterized by grassy slopes and occasional forested areas, providing panoramic views of the Zambales landscape. The mountain's ecosystem provides a variety of flora and fauna, contributing to the rich biodiversity of the region. The name Kapigpiglatan is derived from the Ilocano word piglat, meaning scar. Historically, the mountain served as a grazing area for livestock such as carabaos, cows, and horses, and was a hunting ground for deer and wild boars. Over time, heavy rains created mud puddles where these animals bathe, and the digging marks left by wild boars resembled scars on the landscape, leading locals to name it Mount Kapigpiglatan.
Our year-end hike. Woo! In Zambales.
In Mount Kapigpiglatan.
Yeah, we're doing 2 mountains today. So nothing crazy, both easy. This is the harder one. Mariglem, the easier one later after this. Yeah, nothing too hard for the end of the year because the first quarter of 2025 are going to be hard and long runs for us. So this is our breather and trying to breathe in the landscape of Zambales. just reached the second trailhead. Took almost an hour to get here, and then we just found out it's gonna be longer than we expected. So we're loading up now, and yeah, good thing it's a bit overcast because it's really exposed. Hoping that it's gonna be like this till later, or else it's gonna be really hot and we're gonna struggle.
Standing at over 500 meters above sea level, Mount Mariglem offers stunning views and a sense of serenity that makes the hike worthwhile. The elevation is just enough to give you a good workout without being too strenuous, making it perfect for a day hike accessible to both beginners and seasoned hikers. With its stunning panoramic views, pristine rivers, and the rewarding challenge of reaching the summit, Mount Mariglem is a perfect destination for your next adventure, since this will take you to lush greenery, rocky outcrops, open grasslands, and the view of Zambales mountain range in the West Philippine Sea.
Whoa. Passing a new route going up just to avoid the toll fees. So apparently they have it here too. This one's more, let's just say, more direct but steeper. It just goes relentlessly up, but not complaining. We still have overcast weather. Drizzled for a few seconds and not much sun. It's hiding behind the clouds. Okay, we're nearing the summit. We're just drenched. It's hot. I mean, imagine if there was sun. Yeah, it's the thing is just so humid and there's no wind. That makes us really drenched. But we're almost there. Just took it slowly, good pace. Just keep it like in a low zone, heart rate zones, and yeah, pretty much we were just cruising.
I'm running from nothing, no thoughts in my mind. All my heart was all black, but I saw something shine. Thought that heart was yours.
Summit.
Bird.
Bird. Just glad sun didn't show.
But the weather was humid.
Yeah.
It was a good challenge. You know, we were just continuous. Master Simon gave the best advice. Zone 1, Zone 2.
Cruising.
The best results.
It's quite breezy now, which is a blessing. And but we're running out of fluid, so we better go down. Yeah, it was so humid, so we kept drinking water.
Bye, Pao.
Yeah, Pao is catching up. Just don't see him, but he'll be here soon.
I'm a shot through the dark. I'm a black sinkhole. If it weren't for second chances, we'd all be alone.
baladais sur l'avenue, le cœur ouvert à l'inconnu. J'avais envie de dire bonjour à n'importe qui, ce fut toi. Je t'ai dit n'importe quoi, il suffisait de te parler pour t'apprivoiser. Oh, Champs-Élysées, oh, Champs-Élysées, au soleil, sous la pluie, à midi ou à minuit, il y a tout ce que vous voulez aux Champs-Élysées. Oula!